Hey everyone, this is Paul, the founder and the lead developer of ZenGengo. ZenGengo is a digital language teaching and learning platform that covers all four skills of listening, reading, writing, and speaking. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create your first assignment. So first of all, you have to go ahead and log into your ZenGengo account and then navigate to the folder that you want to create the assignment in. And you can see on this page that we have a number of options for creating assignments. The first option is audio recording. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create an audio recording. So first of all, you need to click on the audio recording button, and then you simply input a name for the assignment. So I'm just going to put in my audio. Okay. The next section will contain media prompts. Now, media prompts are something that students can respond to in the recording. A media prompt could be a text, for example, describe your weekend, or it could be an image. So you could say you could find an image and ask the student to describe the image. Now, to make teachers' lives much easier, we actually have an image search function built right into the system. So you can go ahead and click on search images and then find an image that you would like the students to respond to. So I found a nice image here. If I actually want to, I can also combine, I can have multiple media prompts. So I want to add another media prompt here, and I want to explain what the task is. So I could say, look at the picture and describe the image. Okay, under that we have a time limit, so audio recordings can be anywhere between 1 minute and 10 minutes. So I'm going to set this to 1 minute. Under that we have an option for a manual transcript. A manual transcript will require the student to transcribe their speech before they submit their recording. And this can be used to help the teacher to grade the response more quickly and conveniently. For the time being, we're going to leave this turned off. Under that, we have an option to receive notifications, so you can get an email every time a student submits an assignment. And we're going to leave that turned off for now. And finally, we have this section where you can decide what you would like the student to see after they have submitted their audio recording. I would like the students to see a submission received message, and I would also like them to be able to review what they have submitted in the assignment, so they can check whether it was correctly received. Under that, we also have an option for custom feedback. So if we want to we can add some kind of a message or image after the student has submitted. For example, thank you for your submission. Okay, that's it for the audio recording assignment. You can go ahead and click on save, and that will create the assignment. Now you can see that we have 3 new options here. The first one is to view as a student, the second is to copy the link for the assignment submission, and the third one is to show the QR code. Now, if your students are using mobile devices, you might find it useful to give them a QR code so they can easily open the assignment from their mobile devices. For the time being, I'm going to click on the View as a Student option. Now, this will open a new window, and this will show me exactly what the students will see when they submit the assignment. Now, in terms of this section here, the student has to input their name. This can be customized by going to the submission settings part of the folder view here, and you can decide whether you want to collect the student's name, whether you want to collect their email address, whether you want to collect their ID number, or other things. I'm going to click on save. I want to collect their name and email. Now, if I go back to this page and reload, I will see that it's asking me to input my name and my email address. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, and once I've done that, this is what the student will see. They will see my instructions at the top, they see the image underneath that, and they have a section to record their response here. Okay, so that is how to create your first assignment on ZenGengo. Now, when the student has submitted a response, you will see the submissions turn up in this section here. So I'm going to go ahead and submit a response and show you what that will look like. Okay, so I just submitted a response, and we can see that the submission section still says 0 here. So to fix that, I have to go ahead and click on the refresh button. Now we'll see that I have 1 submission. I click on view, and that will show me the submission, and I can listen to the student response here. In this picture, the girl is holding some balloons and she is running in a field. Okay, and that is how that you create your first assignment and you view the submissions for it. Thank you very much.